Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the new releases. I'm sorry this video is up late. I mentioned last week that this video would be up late just because I'd be traveling and things like that. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I'll be releasing this week. Let's go ahead and start with the wiggle because it is already up in the shop. This wiggle is called Oil Slick. It is a really cool black wiggle. I hope that you guys can get the kind of like different color shift. It's kind of like a greeny, pinky, hollowy kind of shift in it. Kind of an oil slick look versus a hollow though, but it is in our normal format of wiggles, the ones that we have been doing. This is not a clear wiggle. I'll go ahead and peel this up so you guys can see. It is a solid black wiggle, like I said, with that kind of oil slick shift. So this is currently up on the site. There has been a lot of orders already, but I just wanted to go ahead and remind you guys that this is available today, and it does come down before new releases goes up, so if you want to get your hands on that, do so before Friday new releases. So let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. I'm not going to go crazy in depth to Magic 2.0. I will go ahead and link the video down below that has all of the information with all of the items in it, but I do have some leftover items from Magic 2.0 that I am going to be listing in the shop. So I do have some extra TN kits, so I will be listing, or deco kits. I'll be listing those in the shop, and if you want to check out the video that I have linked below, you can see all of these items in their full entirety. Then there will be Magic 2.0, the Ultimate Kit. This was an Ultimate Kit exclusive. And then a la carte, there's also a washi bundle, which I did show in that video as well. There is a pin, which is super cute. There are some vinyls, which will be available a la carte. So you have these 4 vinyls will be available. There is also a washi card. Super cute. The Scribbler sheet, the 15mm strip, the regular fashion girls, the tall fashion girls, the regular glitter sampler, and the like kind of hollow multicolor-ish looking glitter sampler. So that's everything for Magic 2.0. I did actually already use that kit in my planner. I'll go ahead and show you guys the spread. Let me find it. Where did it go? It turned out so cute. I love it. It's one of my favorite spreads. Where did it go? When did I go to Disney? My planner is getting so thick. Here it is. So that is what that kit looks like. It is so pretty. I love it. I love the colors for it. So that'll be available this Friday at noon Eastern. Again, there are limited quantities on those. Then we'll go ahead and go into the other kits while I'm at it. So the first one is Sticker You, which I did sneak on Instagram. I did recolor this art a little bit if you guys saw the original art, and I'm going to go through the Ultimate and the Mini, and then I will just show you the Ultimates for the rest of them. So this is Sticker You, and I love this kit. It's super cute for back to school, but also really, I just feel like it's kind of like a planner girl kind of set because it is like Sticker University. It has like a little like mild liners, then you have the whiteout pens, the little organizer, University of stickers, and then this little notepad with like different sticker formulas on it. I love the colors of this kit. So here are the little Munchkin freebie. So cute. It kind of reminds me of the vintage floral, but kind of like a more muted, almost like the Pride and Prejudice colors. I feel like your extra full box here. You have your little things. You have your headers and your deco page with more functional, and you have your bottom washi. I love this wood pattern. It is so pretty. So that is a Sticker You, and like I said, it is available in an Ultimate. I'm going to go through the extras with you really quick. So there are a couple different options here. So you do have the 15mm strip, which is the gorgeous pink color. There is also the label sampler if you want to add that on. There is also the glitter sampler if you want to add this on. And then there's also this fashion sheet, which I kind of formatted a little bit differently. So you have the 4 regular size boxes here and then 2 tall. So you have a nice variety of fashion girls. I'm not going to do that with every set. Sometimes I might just do, you know, the 4 short regular boxes. Sometimes I might just do the 4 tall. Sometimes I might mix it up. Kind of just depends on what I have going on. So that is the Ultimate kit of Sticker You, but I'm going to go ahead and go through the mini kit as well, just so you guys know what that looks like, what the format looks like if you are not familiar. So it does still come with the same Munchkin freebie, which I think I'm going to be switching up soon. I'm working with Marg on something really cute. So you have your full boxes, the mini kit exclusive page, the same functional page, the deco page, and then you have the bottom washi page, which again, I love that wood pattern. I also did swap out the wood pattern. It was a little bit darker in the original designs there, but it is so pretty. So that is sticker U. I also do have, like I said, an exclusive back to school kit. I think it's super pretty. I love the colors in this one. So this one kind of is very, very school themed. So you have like a chalkboard that says welcome back to school. You have the two girls here and a bunch of different kind of school supplies. Here is the little freebie here. I love the colors in this kit. So pretty. Kind of reminds me almost like of the like 80s almost. Super cute. I love like the patterns. Again, also kind of reminds me of the 80s. This extra full box is so cute with like the lip gloss, the little things, the headers, your extra deco, which is so dang cute, and then your bottom washi, which is just a ton of loose leaf, which I just love that. I think it's so cute. I'll go ahead and show you guys the extras for this kit. So there is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip there. Let me see where I'm going to put that. 15mm strip there. There's also the option if you want to add on the label sampler. There's also the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. And then there is an option if you want to add on the tall girls, which I did all with fashion colored hair, which I think turned out super, super cute. So those are all tall boxes. So that is back to school. And again, this is exclusive art. You will not find this art anywhere else besides SPC. So that is back to school, and like I said, that also does come in a mini kit. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys Celeste Show because it only does come in a mini kit. This art came out last year, but I went ahead and reformatted the kit. I think it turned out pretty dang cute. So this is the little freebie here. You have your full boxes, which are super cute, and then you have your deco page, tons of deco over here, your functional page, your mini kit page, and then your bottom washi, which I love. Let me go ahead and show you guys the add-ons if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There is also Fashion Girls if you want to add those on. These are like some of the prettiest Fashion Girls, I think, in my opinion. And then there's also the glitter sampler. This was formatted a while ago. I will go ahead and add the label sampler option like I have been doing for older format kits. I don't know how many more I have left. I think maybe at least 2. I still have the glitter sampler, but then it will be phasing out, and we will just have those like smaller glitter ones in the future. So that is everything for kits for this week. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the vinyl bows for this week. So the first vinyl bow we have is white matte, and then the second one we have is gold glitter. Super, super cute. Those are the vinyl bows, and those are limited quantities as well. Then I do have some foil releases for you for this week, and I am so excited. You guys have been seeing me use these in so many of my spreads, and these are the 15mm bottom washi bows. I don't know what to call them, like inverted bows, because it's the inverted design of mine. I think I might call it that. I'm not 100% sure. Like, because filled in bows doesn't have the same ring, but I think inverted kind of makes sense because normally ours is the stroke and this is the fill, and also fill bow doesn't make a lot of sense. So if you guys have any better ideas, let me know in the comments down below, but this will be available in all 4 foils, and I love these. Like I said, I have been using them in so many of my spreads, especially, I think I used it in the magic one I showed you guys. Let me see. Actually, I'll show you. I don't think I released that plan with me yet. I'll show you in this one. I love the way that it looks. I love the bow. It's just like, because there's so much foil then, which I just think makes it look so, so special. So these will be available. Everyone's been asking about these, so I'm really excited to release those. Then I do have some flag overlays. So we do have in the shop currently the mini flag overlays, which fit the little flag that goes on top of the neutral, but these actually fit over the flags in our kits on the functional page with the same kind of like confetti type look. So they come in all 4 foils, and you can overlay them on the flags in our kits. And then we also do have some quote boxes. I'm starting to do some more quote boxes, trying to do kind of like broad-ish kind of quotes just so that a lot of people could use them. So let me go ahead and show you guys. This one comes in all 4 foils, and they are summer quotes. This one says, "Take me to where summer never ends," and this one says, "Summer state of mind," and they will be available in all 4 colors. And then last but not least, we do have some scripts that we are going to be releasing this week, just 2 for this week, because we do have a lot of other foil releases that have been requested to be released. So we do have Appointment in all 4 foils, as well as Family Time in all 4 foils. Super cute. I love putting this next to like a little munchkin family or something like that, but this is super cute. So that's everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's releases. Again, don't forget to pick up Oil Slick if you want to get it on that Wiggle discount this week. It is already available on the shop. We also do, like I said, have Sticker You, which will be available Friday. We have Back to School, and then we have Celestial, along with the 2 vinyl bows, and then our foil releases, along with all of the Magic 2.0 overstock that we have. So hope you guys like this week's new releases. I'm currently like staring at this month's mystery, which is beautiful, which if you guys are not subscribed and want to subscribe, it will be available on the 13th. It is actually one of my favorites and has a really cool color scheme. It's really pretty, and I cannot wait to use it. I'm looking at it right now because it's actually already finished being collating. I'm trying to get 1 month ahead on mysteries, as far as like I'm already designing October's. Like I have the art for it, and I'll probably send that to print soon. But I'm trying to get like 1 month ahead, just in case, you know, anything happens. I have a month ahead of mysteries. So that's everything for this week, and I'll talk to you guys later.